Guess what? Yeah. Guess what, guys? We accidentally lied to you. Look at what we had to do. Oh yeah, it's a big hole.
It still looks burnt.
Looks perfectly fine to me.
It's bubble.
Who cares?
It's not bubbly.
But we figured out that last time that we showed you, it wasn't done yet. I stuck a knife in it and a whole bunch of goo came out. So I'm gonna put it back in, and it's been like an hour.
Yummy snot.
Katie's excited for it.
Yummy snot.
Can't eat it till tomorrow. Or today. Later today.
Why?
Because after the parade.
You deny me of my
Yes, I am
cake
denying you of your cake.
after I've had like so much sugar.
Yep. Fine, we can have a piece of it tonight. Midnight snack. Actually, like more like 2 o'clock snack.
I was gonna say.
It's past midnight.
Fun Petty. Fun Petty.
Alright, see you.